In less than 2 minutes, let me show you how to import audio onto your video in CapCut PC. But before I get into the video, hit the subscribe button, tap on the notification bell so you never miss any of the tutorial videos that we drop every week. Import the video that you want to put your sound or audio on into your CapCut PC. Once you have that done, drag the video onto your timeline. Now there are two ways you can import the audio on your CapCut PC. And the first one, you can import it from your CapCut online library. And to do that, go to the panel at the top of your CapCut PC screen. Click on the audio icon. Select music, as you can see, and under hits, look for the music or audio that matches your taste. And take note that any of the music that you see with the purple diamond next to it are for only paid users, and only the ones without diamonds are for free users. When you have seen the one you want, click on the download icon next to the audio. CapCut to play a preview. If you are satisfied with the preview, drag the audio onto your timeline and put it under your video. Trim it. And the second way to import audio is if you have already saved that audio onto your system storage. And to do that, we're going to go to the panel at the top of your CapCut PC screen. Click on the media icon. Click on import. Select the audio or music you want from your storage. And you're going to see the music on your import panel. Drag the music onto your timeline. Trim it if you need it to be trimmed. Let's play to check it out.